Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight. Stepping out of the shadow in my room, caught between cowboy clouds and misty moon. Silver dress, sparkle eyes, crystal blue. I was lost to the menace of the mind, sucker punched by love most of my life. Told myself I would always toe the line. Tripped on love and fell, shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. Tripped on love and fell, you shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. I fell for you. I fell for you. I can swim from light to dark, loving you as easy part. I can do this with all my heart. Tripped on love and fell, you shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. like the photo we keep on the shelf. Oh, we were young. Oh, we were young. Now 10 years have passed and we're still locked in time. I don't take for granted the years that go by. Started with a gaze, here we remain. All the moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fists in mine. Lucky to find what we're both looking for in this life. My heart is aching, but somehow in all the right places. You make me feel like enough. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours. My heart is racing, these tears are happiness shaking. 'Cause I know that I found love. I'm ever yours, I'm ever yours.